Tree Loppers Mount Cotton. Capalaba Tree Removal provides expert tree services in Mount Cotton, including professional tree removal Mount Cotton for hazardous or unwanted trees. Our skilled tree loppers Mount Cotton handle precise trimming and safe tree maintenance, ensuring property safety. Our certified arborist Mount Cotton team conducts thorough assessments, offering expert advice on tree health and management. We also specialize in stump grinding Mount Cotton, effectively removing tree stumps to prevent hazards and regrowth. Whether for residential or commercial properties, our comprehensive tree care solutions ensure your landscape stays safe and well maintained.